डन, डिसेबल्ड ऑलरेडी। चलिए डन। पवित्रा, tomorrow onwards I will make sure that this is possible, है ना? Today we did not get time to change the setting. It has to be changed from the main setting, main laptop setting. From this laptop they will not get changed. One master laptop is there which have all the IDs. From that laptop it will has to be changed. ठीक है भाई? Rahul, same thing. That permission for recording will be there. Don't worry. Don't worry. By today or tomorrow it will be done. ठीक है? Don't worry. That will be allowed. No worries at all. चलिए, shall we carry on? How 6 electron? अरे भाई, one bond, Wakati bond means one electron pair ना, that means 2 electron ना. So one bond means 2 electrons, 3 bond means 6 electrons. 3 bond means 6 electrons. Done भाई? चलिए, going now, going ahead. देखो, what I am doing now? I am solving the same question again now. Same question I am solving again. Those who did not get, देखो. Those who did not get, one more time you can see NO3 minus, nitrogen 5 valence electron, oxygen 6 into 3 valence electron, and one extra charge came. So 18 plus 1, 19 plus 5, 24 electrons means 12 pairs. बोलिए भाई, 12 pairs. 12 pairs means firstly I will connect one terminal atom, corner atom to the central atom भाई. One corner atom to the central atom. So how many bonds I used? 3 bonds I have used. How many pairs left? 9 pairs left. What to do with the remaining pair? Give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom. Give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom. All the 9 lone pair consumed. Now what? Now check the octet for this bhai sahab. This bhai sahab octet was not completed. So to complete the octet, one of the lone pair is converted to pi bond. Bolo yaar, clear? Clear. Bilkul clear. Fourth point I just now explained. His octet was not completed. There were 1, 2 and only 3 bonds. 3 bond means nitrogen octet is not completed. So one more bond required. So bhaiya, that is why one more bond we have converted from lone pair. Clear? अब देखे ब्रह्मास्त्र, देखो भाई ब्रह्मास्त्र, देखो भाई, देखो. If central atom already completed octet, then nothing. Over. No pi bond, like CCl4, like CH4, no pi bond will be there. ठीक है भाई? देखिए, now focus. Are you clear that this Chintu, this Mintu, and this Pintu, there are 3 oxygen, Chintu, Mintu, Pintu. When they realize that nitrogen need a lone pair as a pi bond, nitrogen want a pi bond, so only Chintu will give lone pair क्या यार? क्यों भाई? Mintu can also give ना यार. Chintu can give. क्यों भाई? Mintu can give. And Pintu can also give. क्यों भाई? All the 3 oxygen are equivalent ना. Any one of them can give the lone pair. बोलो यार. Chintu, Mintu, Nintu. There is no favoritism going on here. Chintu can also give, Mintu can also give, Pintu can also give. बोलिए भाई. So how many resonating structures will come? 3 resonating structures will come. चमका भाई. चमका. Second pi bond in second. Oh, sorry. Sorry. This one. Now okay. चमका भाई. Chintu can give, Pintu can give, Mintu can give. Now bond order, can I explain bond order? Bolo bhai. Bond order, can I explain? Bond order means number of lines upon terminal atoms. How many lines are there? Lines means bonds. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line divided between 3 atoms. So 4 by 3 is 1.33 bond order. Bolo bhai, any problem, any samasya, any pida. This one topic will give you 5 questions correct in the next exam. Bhai, 5 questions correct. 5 questions correct. This one will give you 5 questions correct in the next exam. Clear bhaiya? Done. Next देखे. 1, 2, 3 clear. Next is average charge on one oxygen atom. Each oxygen has how much average charge? Simple. What to do? Charge is -1 ना. अरे भाई charge is -1 ना, तो charge upon terminal atom. तो सर -1 charge by 3, so -1/3 is the average charge. बेटा bond order is number of bond 1, 2, 3, 4 upon the terminal atoms, which are 3. Number of bonds, number of lines upon terminal atoms. तो नाలుగు lines देखो, ఒకటి రెండు మూడు నాలుగు lines ना यार. How many atoms are there? Terminal atoms ఒకటి రెండు మూడు, so 4/3. TA means terminal atom, corner atom, terminal atom, corner atom, terminal corner atom. डन भाई. चमका क्या? चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमका. Average charge on oxygen atom, on one oxygen atom. No need to write one also. Average charge on oxygen atom. Average means on one only. Average charge on oxygen atom. तो भैया how to find the average charge? देखे -1 charge उंदी. अरे -1 charge उंदी. -1 charge upon how many atoms are there in the corner? How many atoms are there in the corner? 3 na. So -1/3. Someone is asking if charge is not there. If charge is not there, then 0 is the answer. If charge is not there, then 0. तो कॉमन सेंस है, इसमें कौन सा लॉजिक हो गया? क्लियर है भाई? नहीं, एवरेज चार्ज डज नॉट मीन फॉर्मल चार्ज, बट एवरेज फॉर्मल चार्ज एंड एवरेज चार्ज आर सेम ओनली. इफ दे आस्क एवरेज फॉर्मल चार्ज और एवरेज चार्ज, दे आर सेम. If all the terminal atoms are not same, then I will give one example. ठीक है? Then you will understand. If all are not same, then more electronegative atom will have the negative charge. Little bit complications will come, but don't worry, that will also be answered. बोलिए भाई. चमका. 0 by anything is infinity. अरे देवता भाई, तो चरण स्पर्श करने चाहिए हमको. 0 by anything is infinity. मैं मैथ छोड़ दूंगा, मेरा हो गया मैथ्स का कोटा आज पूरा. बेटा 0 by anything is 0. Anything upon 0 is not defined, which you sometimes call infinity. ठीक है भाई? In the structure where charge is placed. Wait, I will show you. I will show you in the structure where the charge is placed. Wait everything. अभी रुको तो सही. 5 question, let it get over ना. 5 electrons, let it get over. क्या बात है? Good question. Moin, good question. That will also come. Very good and very unexpected question. I didn't expect this question would come. Very rarely people are able to ask this question. Only I have to tell at the last myself. But Moin, that question will come. Very good question. 100% that question will come and no one will ask. I know that also. देखो, average charge understood भाई? Average charge understood? Average charge understood? Sai Kiran, wait. Everything will come. Next देखो. Formal charge. Tell me the formula of formal charge that you use. How do you find the formal charge? फटाफट tell the formula of formal charge. Increase the complications in your life. फटाफट. क्या बात है. अच्छा, this method you are using already क्या? How is that possible? Same my method exactly you are using. नहीं, minus number of lone pair minus bond is wrong. ना. No. क्या हो गया? Answer not coming. देखो भाई, formal charge is valence electrons minus dots minus lines. Simple. Valence electron minus dots. Dots means unpaired electrons. Valence electron minus dots minus lines. बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? देखिए, चेक करो. Check this nitrogen. Sorry, oxygen. Oxygen valence electrons are 6. Oxygen valence electrons are 6 minus how many dot? ఒకటి రెండు మూడు నాలుగు something adu. Done. अच्छा, old students are also there क्या? ठीक है. 6 minus 6 माइनस डॉट्स माइनस लाइंस, बोलो भाई 5 for 5, ठीक है, 1 2 3 5 6 तो आरु माइनस आरु माइनस हाउ मेनी लाइन, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस डॉट्स आर 6 माइनस लाइन इज 1, तो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 डॉट 6 लाइन 1, तो -1 will come ना यार, formal charge, check. Similarly this oxygen if you check this one again, so valence electron 6, how many dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 dots, how many line, 1 line, तो again -1 will come ना यार, बोलो भाई बोलो. Check for this oxygen now, this oxygen valence electron 6, how many dots, देखें 4, 1 2 3 4. Sir, how 4 dots came? 6 were there na, 6 previously were there and one of the lone pair got converted into pi bond na, one of the lone pair got converted into pi bond, so that is why only 2 lone pair left, so 6 minus 4 dots minus how many line, 2 line, it is coming 0. Check. Any problem in finding these formal charges? Any problem, समस्या पीड़ा in finding these formal charges? So फटाफट try for nitrogen. If you understood how to find the formal charge, try for nitrogen. Valence electron, already I have told you, valence electron for nitrogen 5. फटाफट find for nitrogen. फटाफट, everyone try. Let us see what answer you get. फटाफट find. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात, अरे -1 नहीं, -1 नहीं, -1 इज रिमेनिंग ऑल ओके, ऑल ओके, ऑल ओके, क्या बात है, मजा ही तो आ गया. 0 ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, 00 तो ऑब्वियसली रॉन्ग. बताओ, 0 आंसर समवन गिव, देन शी करेक्टेड द आंसर एज 00. देख रहे हो तुम, इंटेलिजेंस लेवल इंफिनिटी, इंटेलिजेंस लेवल इंफिनिटी गोइंग भाई. देखो, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5 डॉट शून्यम, and how many lines, 1 2 3 4 line, 5 minus 4 plus 1, so plus 1 coming. बताओ यार, any problem, any समस्या, any पीड़ा in finding this formal charge? So can I say the final ब्रह्मास्त्र भाई, full and final, full and final is if plus and minus formal charge, if plus and minus formal charge, if plus and minus formal charge is on adjacent atom, it indicates pi bond. If plus and minus formal charge is on adjacent atom, this indicate pi bond. Sorry, pi bond लिख दिया क्या? अच्छी. अरे यार, my mind was somewhere else. Something else I have to write. Something else I have to tell. This indicates dative bond. Dative bond, or you also call it coordinate bond. तो भैया, whenever plus minus is on the adjacent atom ना, it completely means it is a dative bond. It is a coordinate bond. Check करो भाई. प्लस इकड़ा प्लस इकड़ा माइनस, तो भैया दिस इज अ डेटिव बॉन्ड फ्रॉम प्लस टू द माइनस. चमका भाई. सर हेयर आल्सो माइनस, सर हाँ, यू कैन शो डेटिव बॉन्ड हेयर आल्सो, बट देयर इज ओनली +1, so either you can show here or you can show here. You cannot show in both cases because only +1 means only one dative bond he is making. So what is the overall structure? The overall structure is N double bond O, one dative bond O and one single bond O with a negative charge. This is the final resonating structure. बोलो भाई, चमका क्या? How many questions you can see on the board? Find the average charge. What if +2? If +2 is there and there are two -1 nearby, make two dative bond, no problem. ठीक है भाई, but that will never happen in your life. So chill. ठीक है भाई, you are not God, you cannot create a compound. If that happen, if that happen. Mathematics नहीं है ना, it's chemistry. So there are limited number of compounds also only. Overall charge not balanced, बिल्कुल balanced. Check तो कर. बिल्कुल बैलेंस्ड, बिल्कुल बैलेंस्ड. दिस इज +1, दिस इज -1, दिस इज -1. सो ओवरऑल चार्ज इज कमिंग -1, है ना भाई? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट इज अ नाइट्रेट आयन. इफ यू वांटेड द आयन टू बिकम न्यूट्रल, ऐसे कैसे पॉसिबल है यार? हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? Two dative bonds? No. No. Two dative bonds not there. This doubt comes. कि sir there are two dative bonds. Why? Sir because -1 here also, -1 there also. तो भैया there are two girls ready for the marriage, but boy is only one ना. तो marriage तो one only will happen. चमका कि नहीं चमका? Understood? There is +1 only ना. अरे भाई if here +1 is there, either he can make a dative bond here or here. Your wish you can put anywhere you want. Your wish you can put anywhere you want. Someone is saying adjust. पागल है क्या? Hey, don't adjust. Never adjust. छी. Adjust. बेटा ऐसा मारेंगे ना पकड़ पकड़े घर वाले. At this time you are at the house. They will rotate the ear ना by the moment of inertia. They will say कि बेटा ऐसा है. Focus on the studies. All these things can wait. बताओ. Clear है भाई? Done? नहीं, not going to happen. Read properly, otherwise even one is not possible. Read properly, otherwise one marriage will also be very tough. Clear है? Read properly, भाई. Focus. Should we find formal charge every time they ask about dative bond? देखो, for dative bond there are two possibilities. If they give H3O plus or something, H3O plus, NH4 plus, any hydrogen containing plus compound, it is always going to have dative bond. But if they ask the compound like this, there you will have to find the formal charge, then only the dative bond will be able to identify. Other option is mugging up. That is not a good idea because there are many structures, not a good idea. Chaliye, going ahead. Done up to here. Shall we carry on? Shall we carry on? Revision है, revision, revision. एकदम त्वरगा त्वरगा. Done. बहुत बढ़िया. Next देखें. Next, try to solve for SO2Cl2. नहीं, ये भी नहीं. चलो कर लो. SO2Cl2. One nice thing you will learn. SO2Cl2. SO2Cl2. तो देखिए, what to do? Find the valence electron including charge. Sulfur 6, oxygen 6 into 2 12 plus chlorine 7 into 2 14. So 14 plus 6 20, 20 and 12 32. 32 electrons means 16 pairs. बोलो भाई, चमका. Now what to do? Attach. देखो, who is the central atom? The least electronegative atom out of these three will be the central atom, that is sulfur. Least electronegative atom, sulfur is the central atom. So sulfur, then Rendu oxygen, Rendu chlorine, 1 bond each. So -4 bond you will do. You will get 12 pairs left. 12 pairs left. बोलिए भाई, up to here any problem समस्या पीड़ा? बिल्कुल in ozone also same thing will happen. You can try to draw the structure of ozone also, no problem. Same method, same structure, similar structure you will get. There also dative bond will come. Plus minus will come on the adjacent atom. Try. ठीक है भाई, this one clear? This one clear? अरे बोलो यार, this one clear up to here? चलिए, great. देखिए, देखो 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 12 pair, 12 pair. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I point D. All the 12 pairs are over. 3 lone pair given to each of the terminal atoms. All the lone pairs are consumed. चमका क्या? चमका भाई. Great. Going ahead. Now what to do? Now this is sulfur. Is sulfur a second period element? Answer is no. It is not a second period element. For him, octet rule is not important. For him, we have to find the formal charge. Check your notebook, 4th point. Check your notebook, 4th point, B part. Check your notebook, 4th point, B part. When you will check the 4th point, B part, if central atom is third period and later element, find formal charge and make pi bond equal to formal charge if formal charge comes positive. So can you find the formal charge of this sulfur? Fatafat. Can you find the formal charge of this sulfur? Fatafat practice how to find formal charge. Quickly find formal charge. Valence electron 6. क्या बात है यार, genius. Everyone has become only suddenly. 1 3 answer came, that is wrong. Remaining all answers are correct. 0 is also wrong. ए यार 0 नहीं. 0 कैसे आ जाएगा? Valence electrons 6. How many dots can you see? No dots. How many lines can you see? 1 2 3 4. Bhaiya 2 will come. A formal charge is positive, so I will make hence make 2 pi bonds. Hence you will make 2 pi bonds. देखो भाई 2 pi bonds I have to make here, but the terminal atoms are not same. 2 pi bonds I have to make here, but the terminal atoms are not same. Can you approach the fourth point based on covalency? नहीं यार, covalency of the third period and later element is variable. Like in SCl2, covalency of sulfur becomes just 2, but in this case covalency is going to become 6. ठीक है भाई? So you can't use covalency for that. Covalency keep on changing. देखो भाई, तो hence 2 pi bond has to be made. Now very important that I have told 100% in some of the batches कि pi bond made by second period element is Munchie. Remember, second period element makes Munchie pi bond, third and later will form Chadda pi bond. Have we done this before? I think in all the batches I'm teaching, I have said this thing. चमका भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? तो बताओ यार, out of oxygen and chlorine, who now Chintu, Pintu, Mintu are not same. Now Chintu there, Pintu there, Bablu there, Tablu there. अब बताओ यार, who will be forming the pi bond? Oxygen preferably or chlorine preferably? Sir, oxygen, sir. Second period element form Munchie pi bond. So sir, oxygen will preferably form the pi bond. So sir, S double bond O, single bond chlorine, and this is the final structure. बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? बोल दो भाई, बोल दो, बोल ही डालो अब, चपंडी एकदम. अच्छा, I said in 15 group. हाँ, I remember in all the batches I have taught, I have said this thing. चमका भाई. Next example, dots not there ना. And देखो 12 pairs were there, 12, 3, 3, 3, 3 given to all, 12 I point there, nothing left. चमका भाई, चमका क्या? If you are asking me to explain something, tell. हाँ, that's the thing now. Octet is not valid. Do you know this thing? Octet rule is valid for how many elements in the whole periodic table? Only these elements. Only boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Only these 5 elements are there who follow the octet rule. The remaining no one follows. Out of all the 114 elements. बिल्कुल. Bilkul, if plus minus formal charge is there, adjacent atom, on adjacent atom there is a dative bond, but that is after getting the complete structure. Now this is your structure. देखो, this is your structure now. अब बताओ यार, how many pi bonds, how many formal charges there? How much is the formal charge of sulfur? Find the formal charge of sulfur, फटाफट. Find the formal charge of sulfur. Didiksha, find the formal charge of sulfur. Valence electrons minus dots minus lines, 0. So भैया dative bond you will check after completing the structure ना. Before that only you will check क्या? Structure you have not got, you will start checking dative bond क्या? Clear? This formal charge funda here, this is for making the structure. Dative bond you should check at the last. At the last. After making the structure, if plus minus comes on the adjacent atom, then you will say dative bond, otherwise not. ठीक है भाई? No need to write the dots. That depend upon the question paper setup. If they ask you lone pair, we need dots. If they ask only structure, number of pi bonds and all, no need of dots. ठीक है भाई? How do we know how many double bonds? Simple. Formal charge came 2 ना, so 2 pi bonds. खत्म. Formal charge came 2 in the structure in the middle somewhere in the step number 3. Formal charge came 2, so 2 pi bonds. Done. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखिए. Shall we see the next example? फटाफट note down this. Next example then. Next we'll enter to odd electron then. देखो भाई, 2 things we have to do simultaneously. Number 1, We have to understand the concept also, and number two, we don't have to wait in the middle because it's a revision schedule. You can't take as much time as you take in the normal class. ठीक है भाई? Okay, Galaxy J4, wait, I'll give the example. Understood भाई? Next देखे, next example देखो. Many people have this doubt कि sir, if negative will come then what? If negative will come then what? देखो then what? If negative or zero formal charge comes na, if positive come, they make those many pi bonds. But if negative formal charge comes or zero formal charge comes, join the hand, leave the pen, question is over. Clear hai bhai? No need to do anything else. Question over. देखिए how? देखिए how? TF6 minus phosphorus 5 valence electron, fluorine 7 into 6. 6 fluorine, each one have 7 valence electron. Charge 1 extra, so 1 extra electron comes. तो 42 plus 1 43 plus 5 है 47 coming क्या? Check once. Check once. 48 coming ना 48 हाँ 48 electrons. So 24 pairs. 24 pairs. देखो phosphorus 1 2 3 4 5 6 fluorine attached. 6 fluorine attached. Now what should I do? Sir, for each bond one pair you have used. So subtract 6 from here, 18 pairs will be left. What to do with the 18 pair? Sir, give the lone pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 lone pair to each atom we will give, each terminal atom. If anything left, give to central atom. Nothing left, leave it. Left. Now find the formal charge. Will you check the octet? No, sir. He is not a second bed element. I will not check the octet here. I will check formal charge. Sir, formal charge is coming how much? Valence electron 5. Phosphorus valence electrons are 5. Minus dots, 0 dots. Minus lines, sir, 6 lines are there. So total minus 1 coming. What to do? Sir, nothing to do. Structure you have got, that's it. Leave the pen, structure came. No need of any pi bond, y bond, nothing. Chamka bhai. Chamka. Can I go to the next one? Can I go to the next one? ठीक है, okay. No two is very confused. No two is very confused कि यार sir, your method is not applicable on me. No two is saying that your method is not applicable on me. बिल्कुल ignore -1. अरे ignore ही तो बोला. -1 and 0 ignore. Just like I ignore some messages when they come, just ignore. Ignoring important. If you start answering everything, you will not be able to complete anything. So ignore. -1 came, 0 came, ignore. Plus came. Make equal number of pi bonds. चमका की नहीं चमका. चमका की नहीं चमका. हाँ बिल्कुल 1144. Check on the board. That is what I am talking about ना. Find total valence electron. Find valence electron. Find valence electron. Find valence electron. Find valence electron. So nitrogen 5, oxygen 6 into 2 12, 12 plus 5 17 electron. ये तो odd हो गया. How can we get pair? क्या बात है? Add one electron and remove one electron at the end. क्या बात है? Correct. Clear है भाई? So 17 electrons are there. 17 electrons and it is odd. Done. Now what to do? 17 electrons, it is odd. Now what to do? Give 1 electron on rent and take back from central atom at last. At last only take back, don't take back before that. Understood, bhai? So add 1 electron and take back the electron at the last. So 17 electrons are there. 1 electron added extra, 18 electrons came. 18 electrons came. 18 electrons means 9 pairs. Don't forget that this one is extra, bhai. This one is the extra electron you have given just to solve the question. 9 pairs. 9 pairs, then what? Then the same story as it is. 2 bonds formed. So minus 2 bond. Focus everyone. 9 pair were there na. 2 oxygen there. 2 oxygen there. 1 sigma bond given. So 2 bond removed. 7 pair left. 7 pair, what to do? Give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom. Give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom. Give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom. Then what to do? Then what to do? If you give 3 lone pair each to the terminal atom, after that 1 lone pair will be left. Check. Check. 1 lone pair left. 1 lone pair left. Bilkul. Give that lone pair to the central atom. Check the steps. Check the steps. Give 3 lone pair each to terminal atom. If left, then to central atom. So here 7 lone pairs I had. 3, 3, 3. 3 and 3. 6 I have given. 1 lone pair I have to give on the nitrogen atom. Boli bhai, any problem, samasya, pida? Oppo, wait, check. Any problem, samasya, pida here? Now, nitrogen is which period element? Second period or third period? Second period or third period? Nitrogen. Central atom is second period element or third period element? Second na bhai. Second period element, what you should check? Second period element, what you should check? Check octet. Check octet for second period element. Check octet for second period element. Batao yaar, octet completed or how many electrons are there? How many electrons are there? Sir, Vakati bond, Rendu bond. So one bond means 2 electron. So Rendu bond means 4 electrons. Plus 1 lone pair. So how many electrons came total? 6 electrons. 1 bond required for octet. Bolo yaar, agreed? 1 bond we require for the octet formation because 6 are already there. 1 bond required for the octet. So Chintu will give or Pintu will give? Sir, anyone can give. There are 2 possible resonating structures. Anyone can give. There are 2 possible resonating structures. Chamka bhai, dekhe. So nitrogen, double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen, lone pair. This is the structure we have got. Either double bond can come here also, there also. Bolo bhai, chamka ki nahi chamka up to here? All the 4 steps are over. All the 4 steps are over. Octet for only boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Only for second period element we check octet. Only for second period element we check octet. Only for second period. These elements only we check the octet. लिखा है ना कि central atom is second period element, complete octet. ठीक है भाई? Now final. One extra electron that you had given, you have to take it back from the central atom. Don't forget to take it back. So this one extra electron which is there. This one extra electron which is there. This you have to take back from the central atom. So bhaiya, take extra electron from central atom. So what is left? Nitrogen, 1 odd electron on the top, double bond O, single bond O. This is your final structure. Fatafat find the formal charge of nitrogen in this. Fatafat find the formal charge of nitrogen in this. Fatafat find the formal charge of nitrogen in this. बोलिए भाई बोलिए. Everyone is finding correct. You have already attended the class before, yeah? You are attending for the second time, or suddenly your sincerity level also increased? Everyone is listening properly. ये कैसे possible है? Online class going on, not looking like online. You also became Sri Ghoshalites क्या? Completely. हैं? Proper एकदम. चलो, everyone, almost everyone was correct except 1 or 2 small exception. Everything else was correct. +1. देखो भाई, +1 how? Valence electrons 5 minus 1 dot minus 3 lines. तो भैया +1 will come ना यार. चमका. Yo, Ghoshalites rocks. Always rocks. +1 minus 1. +1 minus 1. We should not care about others. Others, they should, everyone should survive. Ideologies will not match, that is different, but everyone should survive. ठीक है भाई? never say bad about others. But appreciate yourself as much as you can, but never say bad about others. ठीक है भाई, let them do what they want to do, we will do studies. चमका भाई, प्लस माइनस ऑन इट, देखो फाइनल स्ट्रक्चर केम, नाउ यू कैन चेक द डेटिव बॉन्ड, यू विल गेट प्लस माइनस ऑन द एडजेसेंट एटम, मेक अ डेटिव बॉन्ड देयर. बोलो भाई, चमका कि नहीं चमका? चमका कि नहीं चमका? देखो भाई देखो, इफ यू आर हैविंग प्लस माइनस ऑन द एडजेसेंट एटम, मेक अ डेटिव बॉन्ड ना. बोलिए भाई, डन डन. चलिए, क्लियर अप टू हियर. कैन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक? कैन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक? कुंचम टाइम, चाला सिलेबस, रिवीजन गोइंग ऑन. ये बताओ, इट इज क्लियर अप टू हाउ -1 केम? अरे -1 केम लाइक दिस. देख 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 देख, बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस डॉट्स, ఒకటి 2 3 4 5 6, माइनस लाइन, ఒకటి लाइन, तो -1 केम ना. so many times -1 you found here. ये देख, so many times I made you find -1. देख, -1 sorry, -1. ठीक है भाई, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस डॉट्स माइनस लाइंस. चमका भाई, चमका 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 चमका. हाँ, ऑक्टेट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. one second. One second. One second. One second भाई. came now came ठीक है. came now. तो correctly noticed कि सर here तो octet not completed. Correct. For odd electron species, octet can never be completed. There's the exception of octet rule. For odd electron species, octet can never be completed. That is always true. चमका कि नहीं चमका? Thank you so much बेटा. चमका भाई. 1 second chat. What is happening? Now okay. Thank you so much for 173. Thank you. Done. Syllabus is up to where I will complete. Don't worry, I will complete the syllabus and go. Don't worry about that. Next, can we go? Next, can we go? Yup. Shaljam will answer the call. Don't worry. Right now, worry about the next topic, that is bond angle, bond length comparison. ठीक है भाई? Chala calls coming. She is taking some time to eat also. चलिए, so write down. Write down. Beta, tribromide octaoxide will come in the redox chapter, not in chemical bonding. Those are multi-centered species. ठीक है? That will come in the redox, not here. देखिए भाई, charge in structure of PF6 minus on phosphorus. In PF6 minus, the charge is on phosphorus ना? देख कहाँ गया? ये -1. क्या? हाँ जी. केम. अरे केम भाई केम. ठीक है भाई. So phosphorus here it is -1. So -1 is here. Is the charge. चलिए, coming to the point here. चलो. Write down bond length and bond angle comparison. Bond length and bond angle comparison. How to compare bond length and bond angle? तो फर्स्ट थिंग, बॉन्ड एंगल, हाउ टू कंपेयर that already sir also would have told you. Same thing I will repeat. Bond angle, always follow exact steps. Some steps I will give you, follow the exact step, don't change anything. Bonding you don't have to read from NCERT. Bonding NCERT is not enough. ठीक है भाई, because in bonding I'm explaining blocks also, all the examples of blocks I am taking. तो बॉन्डिंग डज नॉट एक्सप्लेन मेथड. ठीक है भाई, देखिए ऑलवेज फॉलो एग्जैक्ट स्टेप्स. देखिए स्टेप नंबर 1, फर्स्टली यू विल चेक हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल चेक हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. ठीक है भाई, फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल चेक हाइब्रिडाइजेशन is sp more than sp2 more than sp3 and so on. Remember na, sp 180 degree angle, sp2 120 degree, sp3 and so on 109.5 degree. ठीक है भाई. Then बढ़िया. Then number 2, lone pair on if hybridization is same. If hybridization is same, then check lone pair on central atom. Then check the lone pair on central atom. So if the lone pair are more, bond angle will be less. If lone pairs are more, bond angle will be less. Why? Because you very well know lone pair repulsions are more than lone pair bond pair repulsions are more than bond pair repulsions. Remember bhaiya? Because of this reason, if hybridization is same, check the lone pair on central atom. More lone pair, less bond angle. Number 3, if hybridization and lone pair on central atom are also same, then check terminal atom. What do you have to check in terminal atom? Sorry, central atom. Central atom big, bond angle less. Central atom big, bond angle less. And last thing, कि if hybridization, lone pair on central atom and central atom are same, then terminal atom size is big, bond angle will be more. Here one thing you have to assume that hydrogen is bigger than fluorine in size, which is wrong, but you have to assume. This is the order for the bond angle comparison. Firstly hybridization you will check, then lone pair on central atom, then central atom, and then terminal atom. ठीक है भैया, let us see one by one the examples. Start with the comparison of ammonia, water, methane. So देखो भाई, you have to find their hybridization. Do you know how to find the hybridization? Do you remember how to find the hybridization, bhai? Do you remember how to find the hybridization? Should I recall? Chalo, I will tell you how to find the hybridization. I will tell you how to find the hybridization. Right now I'm telling you it is sp3. Shortcut I will tell. ठीक है भाई, shortcut I will tell. Girls will remember. Divide by 2 method. Sir would have told the same thing. बिल्कुल. Done by all 3 are sp3. All 3 are sp3. Done by all are sp3. If the hybridization is same, then check the lone pair on the central atom. So here 1 lone pair, here 2 lone pair, here no lone pair. So 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair, 0 lone pair. So can I say if lone pair are more, bond angle will be less na? Arre bhai, if lone pair are more, bond angle will be less na bhai. If lone pair are more repulsion, lesser bond angle. More lone pair will push the bond down. So if the bond will be pushed down, angle will be less na yaar. बोलो भाई, बोलिए भाई, बोलिए. First example clear? Not clear? नॉट क्लियर क्या? फोर्थ पॉइंट इज इफ हाइब्रिडाइजेशन लोन पेयर ऑन सेंट्रल एटम। अरे एक काम करो, तो इतनी पीड़ा क्यों ले रहे हो? व्हाई आर यू टेकिंग सो मच ऑफ पेन? इफ 1, 2, 3 point are same, then terminal atom size you will check, it is more, bond angle will be more. Terminal atom size will be more, bond angle will be more. Done bhai? No, 2 and 3 are not same. कैसी कैसी बात कर रहे हो यार? Here you are checking the lone pair on central atom. Here you are checking the size of central atom. How can they both be same? चमका भाई। देखो नेक्स्ट, देखिए नेक्स्ट, taken the screenshot or noted down whatever you are trying to do. Done? Done. I'm explaining more examples, you will get clear. I'm explaining more examples, it will get clear. देखो भाई, देखो 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 देखो